All right, welcome guys. It's another webinar backed by popular demand of me. So we're going to do the back half of the video that we just put out, which was basically assigning something to a tag, right? So we took a tag, we assigned it to something, off it goes onto the floor. What happens next, right? Usually you're going to forget about that work order if it's not your job to, right? And then all of a sudden, something will happen. You'll say, hey, I need to go find that particular item. So I've already got the front end up here, right? As I mentioned in the last webinar, we've already done the setup of the Wiser system. We're in our office. This is steady state running operation of your facility. You'll have this screen. So what do we do with this screen? Well, there's two different options to search. And one of the most popular is to just use this search bar in the upper left, right? And I'm going to need the item number of what I'm looking for, right? So we just assigned this, we put it out onto the floor, right? What was that number? Well, I've got a customer complaint. I'm looking at my ERP. I'm going to read it out. Okay, MN-004346-02EN-P. Okay, that's what I need to go look for. And so I'm going to go in the search bar and I'm going to start typing MN. Oh, you can see it's actually already pre-filled it. Now, if you have a lot of different work orders, if you have a lot of different ones, you're going to have to type more than 2 letters. In this case, it happened to pop up right away because this is the only one that's labeled MN. But usually you're going to want to go through and start typing, and then eventually you'll get to the autofill that you need. Hit enter. You can see all my other tags have grayed out. And I'm here on this dot. I can see it on the floor plan where I need to go and grab it, right? In this particular case, I can actually see it's co-located with cart 1234. Makes my job easier. I can go find that cart, right? There's also an additional way to search, which allows a little bit more flexibility if you actually don't know the full number of what you're looking for, or looking for multiple parts in a series, right? So imagine I was looking for all MN dashes. Well, I can go into the tag screen and I start to search MN, right? And you can see, well, there's 2 tags that have MN associated to them, but it's very clear where my MN dash series is. All of these would be listed out, and then I can actually locate it on the screen in the exact same way, right? So we've labeled the tag, off on the floor it goes. Now we're going to search for it. 2 options through the tags page, a little bit more flexibility, or the more common, just up in the upper left here, go find it on the floor, gray out your tags. There are actually some other settings visually under the hood that allow, when you're searching, to actually have all of the other tags completely disappear. That opacity is custom. Some people prefer to have all the other tags grayed out just slightly, grayed out none at all, or completely disappear when they're searching for a specific item. We'll get into a few more of the details of the system and its uses. You can see I've got different colors here. How did I do that? Well, we'll get into it. I want to keep these relatively short and digestible, so maybe not in this particular video, but we'll do that one next. So yeah, that's how you're going to go find something. 2 different search options. They give you a little bit of flexibility in how you need to go find your items, but it's as simple as that. So for this, we'll call it there. Appreciate your time and attention, and we'll see you for the next one.